So in today's video, I will be improving thumbnails for free.
Mostly for small YouTubers whose thumbnails could look a little better.
And with that, maybe increase their viewers or subscribers. I started searching in the live section of Minecraft topic, and this is what I found.
Yo conocí a un señor que le decían Pepe, pero a ver, ¿a quiénes le dicen Pepe?
This streamer was live streaming building a castle, and luckily she speaks Spanish just like me. This is the title of the video, and this is the thumbnail. So let's get started. The first thing I did was create a sketch to get a preview of how I wanted the final thumbnail to look. After thinking about it for a while, this was my main idea. She's seen from behind, wearing a construction helmet and a pickaxe, looking toward the castle. Once we have the idea, we move on to editing. I'll explain it very quickly in case there's anyone who doesn't know a lot about editing. Then the next thing we will do is go to Blockbench, load the YouTuber's skin, and export it in a format that can be uploaded to Blender. Once that was done, I searched for castle maps on planetminecraft.com until I found one that I liked. I then opened Mineways and uploaded the map to convert it into a file that could be used in Blender. By the way, I found this nice helmet model on Sketchfab, but I didn't end up using it because I think it looks better without it. Now we move on to Blender, position everything in its place, and export in separate layers. And finally, we move on to Photoshop. I imported the layers, added borders and beveling to the castle and character layers, added the sky and clouds behind the castle, and made some color adjustments.
स्पेंड कर दो टोकन, देन उसके बाद सर्वर को ज्वाइन करना। ज्वाइन करते ही आप लोग यहाँ पर स्पॉन हो जाएगा। आप लोग देख सकते हो कितना प्यारा सा लोबी यहाँ पर नजर आ रहा है आप लोग को। इसके बाद आप लोग को सिंपली
Well, he speaks Hindi, a language I don't know, but that doesn't matter. We're international here.
So this YouTuber was promoting a server for Java and Bedrock players. Let's improve the thumbnail a little. Well, this was my sketch. I wanted to keep it simple, so I just added the character with open arms, showing the main text. By the way, all the resources used in the video can be found on the new Discord server. So join now, I'll soon be giving away thumbnails and talking with you. See you there! Now we follow the same steps as before using Blockbench, Blender and Photoshop. In this case, I will do the background entirely in Photoshop. We start by adding our background template, a sky with clouds, the main character, and finally, the main text. Well, something happened, and that is that I forgot to press the record button, so basically I don't have the whole process, which means these last explanations will be a little shorter, so I'll try to make them as understandable as possible.
Wait, let me try. Take me that. Oh.
In this case, the YouTuber was playing with horror mods, so let's upgrade her thumbnail. After taking this other thumbnail as inspiration, this was my first idea. It's the character hiding from the mods. Pretty simple, right? We repeat the previous process. We move to Photoshop to position the layers. First, we add the grass and the wall where the character will hide. Then we add a dark sky with a moon and position the mobs from the horror mods. Finally, we add effects and adjust the color. I really liked it. Now let's see the next one. This person was live in a 1000 days Minecraft world, and I think we could now do something very simple for her thumbnail. Back to the sketches, I wanted to do something like the second example, just the character with a background image and main text, but now at the bottom. I couldn't find any good shots of their farms or buildings, so I looked for generic backgrounds on the internet. After that, we added the main text and finally the character. As always, we added a stroke, bevel, and some color adjustments.
J'ai une voiture maintenant, regardez! Elle est trop bien, ok? Flanou! Regardez comment je conduis! Je conduis trop bien! Mais
This YouTuber made a video with mods from Five Nights at Freddy's, and curiously, she speaks French, a language that I also know. So this is my sketch. My idea was to place the staff bot in the close-up shot while the character looks from behind confused. Now let's move on to editing the layers. Now in Photoshop we import the grass layer with some flowers, then a light blue gradient and Minecraft clouds to create the sky. We position the staff bot and the YouTuber with a simple text, and finally we add effects and color adjustments. Well, that's it, but if you'd like me to make a free thumbnail for you, join the Discord where I'll soon be giving it away to the first 2 people who ask for it. And finally, remember that I didn't earn a single dollar from this, so if you want to support me, I would really appreciate it if you subscribed.